Hi everyone, I am Anna Morvin. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to work jogless color work in the round. When you need a color work of any type, there are jogs forming when you move to the next round, and you can clearly see where the beginning of the round is, and the finished object doesn't look as neat as it should in general. I will show you how to avoid this. First, let's take a look at finished objects which don't have jogs at the beginning of the round. This was the beginning of the round. So, as you see, there is no jogs, no steps, nothing. The pattern is neat and clear all the way around. And this sweater, this was actually we started from top. Yes, this was the beginning of the round, and as you see, there is no jogs. The pattern flows, nothing breaks it. I will show you the universal method, which works for stripes, stranded color work, fair isle color work, and many others. There is a trick. You slip the last stitch of the round from the left to the right needle without working it. In this case, the beginning of the round will move to the one stitch to the left. To keep track of it, put a marker. Look. There was the initial beginning of the round, and this is the current beginning of the round. I separate color work charts, repeats, with markers, such round ones, such circles. So these two markers, I make them different, so I will know where is the beginning of the round. It may be useful if you work from bottom up, and if, for example, you're going to make a hood, as I'm going to do it, and I will have to know where is the beginning of my round, and where is my front, and where is my back. Or when you're working from top down, it's also useful to know where these two spots are when you will be separating for sleeves and body. And as long as you move the beginning of the round to the left all the time, you must show it in your colored chart, moving the beginning of the round there as well, so you will not get confused. I mark every new beginning of the round with such a line, and I work from this line to the left. So the first repeat of the round will be not full, but by the end of the round it will be completed from the other side. So let's see in action how this is done. I am finishing this round. This was the beginning of that round, so I have here 3 black and and 2 black are coming from other side. So this is the beginning of the round. Take off the marker, slip the stitch, not working it, and put new beginning of the marker, a new beginning of the round. And then you work the next round. The next round begins with 2 dark grays. Let me work this around to the end, and I will show you how it will work once again. So I finished that round. So it's 3 black, 3 white, black. Technically this is this. This was our first not full chart repeat, and this tail is completing it. So 3 black, 2 gray. Here they are. We are moving the beginning of the round once again, just like this, and marking it. So let's see. No, this this is bad. So let's see. You see, there is no jokes. There is no jokes. Our color work is clean and smooth. Why I prefer exactly this way? Because when you're lifting stitches from the rows above, below, it makes the knitted fabric a bit of twisted. I really don't like it. I like this method more. And if you will decide to follow it, I will be only happy. That's all for today. Thanks for watching me. I wish you a great day. See you.